Do you want to get amazing t-shirts design using this AI tool called Leonardo? So guys, right here guys on this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. So guys, you want to simply create an account right here with no credit card needed, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So once you're right here on this page, simply go onto image generation right here, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So guys, how do you actually create a t-shirt design prompt? Now if you do not have any ideas on mind, you can easily make use of ChatGPT and simply just message ChatGPT to write some t-shirt design prompts for you. So right here guys, I was able to message ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write some t-shirt design prompts, and they were able to create an amazing up to 20 t-shirt design prompts for me. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this right here and go on to the AI image generation of Leonardo AI and simply pasting that prompt right here. And once I'm done with that, I'm simply just going to go on to generate and see what ChatGPT and see what Leonardo AI can easily just generate for me right here. So guys, this is it right here. So you can easily just download this right here, and this you can easily just download this image, and you can actually make use of this image on your t-shirts right there. So that is it for making use of ChatGPT. Now guys, you can also get in some t-shirt design prompts by simply going on to the prompt generation and simply enter some basic prompt ideas. Now these tools, all you want to simply do is to enter a basic prompt idea and go on to ideate, and this is going to generate 4 different prompts for you to generate for your t-shirt design. So I'm just going to put in right here t-shirts design prompts. So let's see what this can give to us and go on to ideate, and let's, as you can see, 4 number of prompts right here to generate. So I'm just going to generate the first right here. I go on to the prompt generation and generate the third right here. So let's see what those are for us. So right here guys, as you can see, this is one of them right here. This is how amazing it actually looks right here on the t-shirts right here guys. So that is it for the first one. So you can easily make use of this prompt right there. So I'm just going to scroll up right here. As you can see, you can easily put in this background right here, this image right here on your t-shirt, and it's going to look amazing right here. So this is how you are able to get some amazing t-shirt design prompts by making use of this AI tool called the Leonardo.ai. You can easily make use of the prompt generation, or you can easily make use of ChatGPT. But guys, I actually love making use of ChatGPT most times because I'm able to get in some nice logos or some nice design that I can easily just put in for my t-shirt. If I simply go onto ChatGPT and simply just copy this right here and go onto the Leonardo.ai, and I want to simply paste in that right here, let's simply just generate this and see what it's just going to give to us. So love making use of ChatGPT or any other AI platform like Google Bard and lots more right there, and it's just going to generate amazing t-shirt designs prompts for you right. As you can see, this is looking amazing. I can easily just download this image right here and simply apply it on my t-shirt, and it's going to look so amazing right there. So guys, this is how you can easily just get in some t-shirt design prompts right here for your